All right. So, hi everyone. Assalamualaikum and have a good day. Okay. Today I would like to explain about our project. Yeah. So, final project for our class. All right. So, this is the how we call this the sheets. Okay. Description of our project. You can get this from our e-learning. Yeah. All right. Okay. So basically, the im- the the main important things I want to everyone to participate to this project. Okay, so this is the group project and also individual. Okay, so it's up to you. Okay, you can form a group also, and also individual also permissible to do this assignment or project. Yeah. All right. So synopsis of this project. This is a final project. Aims to allow students to apply operating system principle to real world scenarios. The student will develop a working prototype simulation and an analytical model focusing on core as concept such as process management, memory management, file system, scheduling, synchronization, virtualization, and finally security. So this project also encourages practical implementation and also problem solving skill by helping students understand how OS theory translate to a real world system design. The project objective: by completing this project, student will be able to demonstrate understanding of the major OS component, and next apply OS concept to real world scenarios, simulate or implement scheduling, memory or file system techniques, analyze OS performance including its efficiencies, present and defending your works. Okay, so there is a presentation you need to do. So we assess that as well. Yeah. So next is develop documentation. You have to know how to write documentation, technical reports writing skill. Okay, technical report. Please use the active sentence. Please avoid the passive sentence for your technical report. Yeah, basically we use that kind of sentence, active sentence. Okay, please take note about that. That's very important. I'm not include in this, but that's a normal practicing. Okay, even my student also, I ask them to write using active sentence instead of passive sentence. Yeah. Okay, that's very important, especially for academic and we are technical. You're also technical. Okay, so please use active sentence instead of passive sentence. Yeah. Okay, please take note that. All right, next. This is a list of suggestion project. You have to choose, among all these. Okay, we got process scheduling, memory management, file system synchronization, deadlock, virtualization, security, device management, and also finally is others. Do you remember that our assignment? I asked you to review the technology. Yeah, means we actually do some research on OS evaluations. Okay, whether this whether there are Windows, Linux, and Android, okay, and not limited on this as well. So it's also permissible, okay, not just from uh, my content here, okay. You can use another content as well that you think okay that's related to OS, but you have to consult with me first, okay, if you want to do that. Okay, this is just suggestion. Okay, if you don't have any topic in your mind for this project, so you can choose this. So I need to make sure that don't clash. Okay, if you want to choose this, I will put a link. Normally I'll put a link, in the group. So I will check back our learning whether there is a link for the grouping. Okay, that's a grouping. I will use that. So you have to tell me what topic are you going to do. If you choose from this, let me know. Okay, so that one I will create the link later. Okay, all right. So that's regarding the area topics or anything that you want to do. Okay, all right. Final report, of course, this is the content that you need to, okay, a second, you need to complete that, okay, this, yeah, final report format, okay, abstracts, like you write your thesis, yeah, the content, but this is a small scale, yeah, just you have a look this, each of that. And next is also, okay, all this format. So reference, please check, yeah, EEE format or APA, use that. Okay, appendix for the code, yeah, all right. And then for this is the next is your rubric. Okay, so I will give a mark based on this, yeah. And next presentation guideline. So we got this group and also individual. Okay, so just prepare the recorded. Okay, if anything, if I go through not understand, I will contact directly to you. Okay, so maybe the question and answer is good for the, okay, later on I'm thinking whether, but the thing you prepare just this one, but maybe a final week or maybe there's a good one. If you cannot do it that, okay, maybe some reason, I mean during that period of time, maybe got so many things to do. Normally we have presentation, this and that. So we can just make rearrangement schedule. I will maybe we go for online or whatsoever. Yeah. So later, the ones that maybe later I will update. Okay. So just for time being, focusing on the topic, develop first. Later we'll talk about this. Yeah, presentation guideline. So just prepare that. All right. So just put in mind that we need to do this as well. Yeah. And this is deliverable. Why I want you to just follow this. Yeah. And then, all right, this I'm missing this. So today, this morning, I put this to-do list. First, we have to form a group or individual also permissible to do this project, final project, doesn't matter. Marks is the same. Yeah. Okay. So choose one topic only. Okay, if you want, choose. So one topic, make sure it doesn't clash others. So I will create a link, okay, later in the our e-learning. So you have to put the topic, choose the topic. Okay, maybe today we can decide that. Yeah, and then the rest, just read and complete the rest of the content from this sheet. Yeah, so that's regarding our project. So if you got any question, basically, so just WhatsApp me. Yeah. All right. Thank you. Assalamualaikum. Bye bye.